Hey, hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to another week. Welcome to another market breakdown. We're actually looking at the last week of the month of September. We've had 2 good weeks this month, and we're just coming off a very bad week. I actually had a losing week last week. I lost over 300 points in profit. But nonetheless, that's part of the game. I always talk about you being prepared for losses, you being prepared psychologically for losses. And what happened was once you lose out big, because I like to trade the big events. I like to trade FOMC and NFP. So I didn't do well in FOMC, and then I was just trying to sort of catch up, and then that losing streak just took me to the rest of the week. But it's not a big deal. We still have a trading account because of our rigorous trading methodology. We're still up 428 points in profit for the month, and hopefully we can close out the month with about 900 points or 1,000. Who knows? So what am I seeing today? What am I seeing right now for the week? DXY dollar index is still in an uptrend, right? It's still in an uptrend. It's making continuous higher highs and higher lows over there. This market rose, and like one mistake I made this week was I really got some good trades at the open of the market on Monday, but I didn't capitalize on them. Right. One thing you need to understand is that take this off. Is that this market, once any market, not just this one, once any market gets to resistance, right? I'm going to hide it and show you guys. Once it gets to resistance, so this market got right around this area, which is resistance. You can see me marking it out. And once a market gets to resistance, I always say this, it will most definitely retrace. So market got to resistance. I was up about $300 in some positions, like in all my positions combined, and I didn't capitalize on it. Like I didn't just capitalize on it, and it went down and started taking me out. Really annoying. I don't know why I did that. So, but each time the market gets to a main resistance point, it could retrace. But overall, this market is still a market in an uptrend. You can see the trading channel right there, right? Strong uptrend for this market. And I expect this market to break 93,500 this week. So if I scale it down to the 1 hour time frame, I have the zone there, right? So this is the zone. I will be looking at this area, especially between 93,521 and 93,983. So this is what I expect this market to do. So Monday could be a slow day. Lots of news coming out on Monday. I expect this market obviously to break the zone, retest, and go that way. So that's the only thing I'll be looking for. If this market comes this way, I'm just going to measure it as a fib retracement. So you guys watch out for this zone, 93,521, and I'm going to go ahead and set an alarm there. So the market is crossing up 93,521. I will definitely be looking for longs. Looking at dollar CAD, another market that I trade a lot. It didn't go well for me this week, but it moves in the same light. It moves in the same breadth and length as DXY. So you can see clearly that if we're looking at the overall structure, of this market on a daily time frame, it's actually broken this trend line, right? Normally, when the market breaks a trend line, it signifies, like, it could signify a reversal, right? But I'm not really going to capitalize on that. I'm going to go ahead and look for a consolidation zone, which is what I always do. And I'm going to look at this zone. I'm going to be looking at this zone this week. From tomorrow, I'm going to be looking at this zone. You guys can check out the zone as well. Between 127,355 and 126,309. So over here, the market can do two things, right? It's broken the zone. Although I'm still bullish in this market, it's broken the zone, so it could do like, it could move like that, or it could move like that, right? We're going to have to be patient, especially if we are going to look at trying to recover every single point that we lost last week, because that is the goal of this week. It's a recovery week, and we're going to have to trade smart. Euro USD, another pair that I tend to look at a lot. Daily time frame, the overall, again, Euro USD is in a downward trend, right? Downward trend line there, resistance zone at 1.1800 there. We have this situation. So the market is literally stuck in this consolidation zone. Scale down to the 1 hour time frame. This is what I'm seeing. 1 hour time frame over there. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. It broke over here, retested this whole area. It's still within the consolidation zone. So we have to literally wait and see what's going to happen. So you guys can watch out for 1.17491 and 1.16988. And finally, pound USD, daily time frame there. Notice how I always try to get the trend, right? That's how I trade. I get the trend, then I scale it down to a lower time frame to see what's happening on an hourly by hourly basis or on a minute by minute basis. So daily time frame over there, strong downtrend. You can see the lower lows over here. I'm going to go ahead and lock it up. Lower lows over here, lower lows over there, resistance there. I expect this market to make another low to this point, right? It could take the whole week, it could be this week. But if I scale it down, for you guys to the 1 hour time frame, this is exactly what I'm saying. 1 hour time frame over there. We should be looking at this area over here because market has created a structure around here. We should be looking at this area over here. If the dollar gains strength, then definitely this market should continue making its lows like this. Bam, retest, bam. So these movements could play out tomorrow. It could play out on Tuesday. You just have to be on the lookout. Trading is all about letting the market come to you. Trading, 99% of currency analysis or foreign exchange trading is all about you sitting and waiting for the right deal. It's not about you sitting and waiting the whole day for the right deal. It's just about you deploying the right strategy that is going to make you work smart and not make you become a zombie staring at this screen. So you guys take care, and I'll talk to you guys again same time next week, and I wish you all the best this trading week. Bye.